Hello, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio with a 14 by 14 inch canvas, an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, a little Artist Loft white paint, and a desire to paint. And I wish I had a primed canvas, but it's not dry yet. So I'm going to just give myself a little bit of white and get on with doing nothing serious at all. But I'm going to try and put a little bit of white in a few places and hope that it dries, because that'll be a background for the other colors I'm going to put on. And I'm just going to put colors on, and probably black too. I don't think I can see it any better than you can, so don't think you're missing anything because you can't see it. I just know that it's there, and that's how I'm going to start. I've got a tiny little bottle of black, and I don't want to put that in there because it's going to definitely dilute. Oh, my studio rag's not wet. I guess it's still damp from the other day. So what are the colors that I love the most? I have a new Vivid Intense color, and I believe it's fuchsia. Yes, it is. And I'm going to leave that over there. And I'm going to use some Jasmine Primary Element. I'm being called the blue. I've got Indigo Violet. I've got a little bit of, what color is this? This is Hibiscus. It's a new Prizm pour. Worth shaking. Also want to use a little bit of Tuscan Sun. And since I've got it in my hand, it's going to be some French silk. I'm just using colors that are handy next to me. This is Sour Lemon with Orange Crush. A little bit of shiny taffeta. I will list the colors underneath the video. And then I'm just going to start by smearing some colors without any expectation at all of what may happen to them, because I can always continue on. And chances are very good I will. I want a little bit of Orange Crush. Oh, I remember this one had some water in it. I'm beginning to remember. I think I got it. Oh, that was a nice combination and unexpected. And the white is doing what it's supposed to do, which is muting some things and not others. And I've got stage 2 types of tools, like put more paint down and use chain or a basting brush, or what was I just thinking? My toothy tool. Now, I haven't done dots for a while, but I've been thinking about them. And it might be kind of fun to do them. But the black is also calling me. I'm not sure what's going to happen with the black if I use it. I want some blue, I know that. And I have Egyptian blue. sure the top is on and unscrewable without dumping anything. And it breathes, yay! I believe that that is Egyptian blue. Scrape off my spatula and use my colors. Yeah, I like that. I don't know what kind of mess I can make. I think that I'm going to have to tell you what that was again because I'm not remembering. That's the fuchsia. I'm going to keep wiping off my spatula in different places, moving color from one area to another just because it's on the spatula. Oh, I'm not sure I like that. But you really can't judge a painting initially at its very beginning. This is Saffron, Prizm 4. Wipe off my spatula. Pick up a little more paint, put it down somewhere else. Now generally I won't recommend that you use paint like I do left on the blade of your spatula. I just seem to have an instinct about it. I'm going to go for some water lily, maybe some Periwinkle Vivid Intense Fluorescent. I like the white. I do believe I need my rag to be soaked. It makes wiping it off so much easier. I know I want some more jasmine. I don't want a wet spatula. If the paint begins to dry, you'll pull paint right off using a spatula. I want something pale. I like pale blue, but I don't have it handy. There, I see it. That's the periwinkle. Don't mind layering a few things, which makes me think I want some indigo violet. Kind of being called to some turquoise because I like this green that's calling me. I don't want to get too complicated here. I think I'm just going to put some... Go on, stop moving. Some jasmine right on the blade of my spatula. Which might be the way to put the black down, actually. Just love using residuals. It's kind of a trepidatious proposition at best. So maybe a dish to put some black into. And What? I want some more water lily. Right there. And somewhere else as well. I'm losing my negative space rapidly. I think I'm going to use a little more jasmine before I do anything else. Feels like my top is getting a little plugged. Alright, it's almost time to get brave. Not feeling that brave. That's more of the jasmine. I kind of want to try the white. Maybe that's what I'll do. Maybe I'll try the white first before I do the black. I don't recall having done that before. Maybe I'll try it right in some of the spots I want to keep. That seems like a really good idea to me. Sorry if I'm quiet, I am a little focused. Now I have jasmine in my white. I don't promise this is going to work. It's going to be interesting and fun. And if I don't like just the white, camouflaging everything, I can always add the black. And I'm not looking for perfect geometrics, I'm just looking for fun. What have I missed? I see one little place I missed. A couple actually. So the canvas is pre-primed, and whatever else I want to do to this, which isn't much actually, I could probably wipe out the white, put down some black. Maybe I'll just put down some black and grab a piece of tongue depressor. Or I have also got a little piece of card. I'm not sure if I should do this or not. I think maybe it's okay. I think it might be stunning actually. So far I'm not minding it. Just looking for the remaining gaps, taking advantage of the fact that they're there. And I can either put marks in, or I can pull a little block. And you can see I am using both ends of the stick. I'm going to put some paint right in my dish. And I'm loving the texture. It reminds me of some stuff I did in 2014. I have a new Facebook page because my old one was eradicated by Facebook. So I hope you come and visit me. I'm Priscilla Batzell Artist /artist. And I'd love to have you follow or friend. And it's given me an opportunity to be organized and to post albums of some of my old favorite award-winning artworks and all kinds of recent stuff and fluid art by the category. This will have to go in geometrics, I think. I'm getting pretty close to thinking that that might be just fine. I like the striking, I like the mark making. It's a little scary using the squeeze bottle, but at least it's not the big one, you know? And anywhere you put the black will certainly draw the eye. Every time I do a geometric with extraordinary mark making, it seems like it reminds people, including myself, of cities. I'm wondering about orange, since I've got my, now I've got black paint all over my fingers. And I want to wipe that off my fingers, but maybe I just need a fresh one. Or a fresh anything. Which in this case is a little silicone hair tool that you can find on my Amazon link, which is on the link tree under Show More, along with, well, on my Amazon link you're going to find my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities are the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Anyway, I'm liking that orange up there. I might not actually mind if it was jasmine either. Put that away. My turntable, I had a foamy hair curling device wrapped around the center bar, and it was working for a while, but it doesn't seem to be working anymore because everything is just spinning out of control. So just using the colors I picked up, including the white. And since the paint isn't dry, I can move some of it out of the way. I don't want to move it so far out of the way that it goes away completely. But I do like messing with things. I'm going to try and stop myself now. Oops, didn't work. I'm just having too much fun. Thank you for joining me. I hope you come again. I post at 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I will try and shimmer this at you. Oh, that was a good mark. So was that. I'm just scraping paint off on the edge of my canvas. Let me get my phone. And wish that I had a way to stop my turntable from turning. So I love you guys. I hope you come again. I post every day. Please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. I'd really, really appreciate that. That was a lot of fun to do. That's just what I needed for morale boost. Thank you for being here. I hope you come again. I think I said that twice. Please share my videos. When you give me a thumbs up, it helps my morale and my standing on YouTube. I don't know if you